Click Create Block, type length, width, height and press OK. Move to Cavity Library tab, search for G1x2, specify cavity ID P and net name P, click Insert and touch a face. Specify X and Y position and click OK. Search for FC10-2, specify component ID RV1 and net names P and T. Click Insert, touch a face, connect with the P port. In the center, adjust position and click OK. Touch top face and select the stretch block. Specify new block height and click OK. Search for G1x2, specify component ID T, click Insert, touch right face and connect with RV1 port 2. Search for FC10-2, specify net names P and tank, specify component ID SV1, click Insert, touch face, adjust cavity position and click OK. Click Move Multiple, select T and RV1 and confirm with Done. Move cavities along desired direction, Z, confirm with OK. Click Export to add a construction port. Touch T port. For cavity 2, touch SV1 port 1. From drop down, select XG18 and click Continue. Touch a face and click OK. We do the same for net P by creating an export between SV1 port 2 and P port. We replace construction plug with the test point G1x4. Click Replace command, select BSP ports G1x4, uncheck spot face depth and click OK. Edit the cavity, change cavity name to MP and uncheck is construction port option. Connect P with MP. Align P with MP. Drill depth optimization. Click Check Bend command and run Start. Click All and Update. Check the result and click Close. Touch left face and click Stretch Block. Change it to 85 mm and click OK. Click Create Block command. Drag L cursor, select Remove, type 10 mm and click OK. Touch right face and select the stretch block. Type 65 and click OK. Click Mounting Holes. Select the desired mounting hole size. Specify number of mounting holes and touch a face. Switch configuration to find the desired position. Specify edge distance and click OK. Run connection check command. Click Start and verify there are no issues. Close the dialog. Run wall thickness check. Set wall thickness limit and click Start. Click on item to highlight the issue in the model. Run move multiple command, select RV1 and P and drag cursor. Confirm with OK. Run stretch drill for P cavity, type 15 and click OK. Edit SV1 cavity, change step 0 depth to 3 mm. Connect MP with SV1 port 2, stretch P port and reduce drill to 50 mm. Run wall thickness check, verify wall thickness issues. Run move multiple, select T and RV1, drag the cursor and confirm with OK. Click Create Block command, drag H cursor, select Remove, type 5 mm and click OK. Click on Manage Engravings command, attach to this cavity, select RV1, touch position for RV1 text and click Engrave. Do the same for the other entities in the block. Switch to Assembly Environment, click on Component, answer Yes and select the block we want to assemble. Select RV1 and click Select CAD file, go to HIDAC folder and select DB10P model. Move model to right and click OK. Do the same for SV1, select correct HIDAC coil model, move to the right, select correct valve model, move to the right, rearrange component sequence, valve first, coil after, and click OK. Do the same for test point MP. Locate Minimes 3D model, move to right and click OK. Click Assemble and then close the dialog. Click Plug for automatic plug assembly.